Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. 2017 was a great year. We had lots of adventures. Me, my dog, my buddies, my wife. 2018 is going to be even better. So I hope you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and enjoy what you're about to see. Thank you. Okay, this is going to be a short little video. What we got is one of those new red copper pans. Well, the last one we had, it got all scratched up, even though it says it won't. But they are guaranteed. So I took it back, got a brand new one. We're going to try it again. This time we aren't going to use forks or any metal objects in it, because it don't work that way. It scratches. So what we're going to do first here is season it. That's what I'm going to show you right now. You take a little oil, vegetable oil, put a little on your paper towel, then you just take it and put it all, coat the whole thing with a light little coat. You don't have to pour the oil in the pan. Just get all this copper covered up with the oil. Pretty simple. So that's all you do with that. Now you just want to put it in your oven. Set your oven for 300 degrees on bake. Once it's preheated, you're going to stick your pan in there for 20 minutes. Pull it out and it's ready to go. You just heard my oven sound off that it's warmed up to the 300 degrees. So now I'm going to take the pan, just stick it in here for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to cook that in there for 20 minutes, and this is how I set my timer. Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
Once that's done, I pull it out and we're done for the day. I'm going to fry me some eggs once that's done. Well, while I'm waiting for my skillet to do its thing, I'm going to fix up some scrambled eggs. I'm a 3-egg kind of guy. So we're going to scramble up 3 eggs. And this is how I prepare my scrambled eggs. Throw the eggs in there. Throw the cheese in with it. Gotta have a little cheese. Now I'm going to wash my hands off because I got eggs all over them. And throw me a little splash of milk. Real milk, not 2%. Little splash of milk there. Then we're going to put in a little pepper. I like pepper. A little salt. And I like these things. Crushed red pepper flakes. They give it a little spice. I'll just put in a little fingerful of those, about that much. I put them in just about anything I fix. I'm just going to use a fork rather than a whisk. Get this all mixed together. See how much time we got left on the timer. Alexa, how much time do I have left on my timer?
You have 14 minutes left on your 20-minute timer.
Still got 14 minutes to go, so no need for you to sit here and watch this for 14 minutes. Well, the alarm should be going off soon. Then we're going to cook with butter. You can use real butter, which I do. Or you can use, well, there's the alarm. You can use olive oil. Alexa, cancel alarm. Alexa, she's a good old girl. So let's get this out. We can shut her off. It should be ready. Smells ready. A little tip for anybody that's got a hot pan like that, leave this on there so you don't grab a hot pan. Let's get you up here a little better. There we go. Got this new camera, I'm kind of liking it. So, here's your oil, you can see it a little better. Anyway, okay, so yeah, like I said, keep that on there. Now then, all we got to do, turn on the front burner. Let's turn her on to high for a second. Get it nice and warm. Shouldn't take long because pan's already warm. So turn it about down to there. About medium high is where I'm going to cook my eggs. It's going to be hard for me to tell when it's hot because the pan's already hot. Feels like she's warmed up. This is a handy little thing for your butter. Take this and you scoot this out here like that, and you just chop off a little piece of butter. In there it goes. Now then, we're just going to let that melt in there. Melting nice and fast. Now that we got the butter melted in there, doesn't take long now. We'll just pour the egg mixture in there. Some of you don't know how to make scrambled eggs. I've got a little friend that didn't know how to boil an egg. Boy, this is like watching paint dry. As you can see, it didn't stick. Almost make an omelet out of that scrambled egg, but we're not. We're going to make scrambled eggs out of it. You'll want to see how this pan cleans up. And it looks like it's not sticking at all. That looks pretty cooked to me. So we're just going to take this, like this plate. Alright, we're going to just take the eggs. See how they pour in there. Well, that poured pretty dang good. I think I can wipe that out with a paper towel. Grab a paper towel. Okay, got the paper towel. Yep, that wiped out clean. No problems there at all. Dang thing's a little hot yet. A little hot. There we go. I think this is we'll give this a thumbs up. Put her in the drawer for later. I kept getting phone calls during this video preparation. And that's why the things kept disappearing and reappearing. So bear with it. I think I got the message out. It's a good pan, just not what they promise.